Hello, third graders. This is our third digital citizenship lesson called Our Digital Citizenship Pledge. The essential question, what makes a strong online community? And our learning objectives. Define what a community is, both in person and online. Explain how having norms helps people in a community achieve their goal. Create and pledge to adhere to shared norms for being in an online community. How would you describe the people where you live? Do most people know each other? Take a moment to discuss this with a family member. If you need to, go ahead and pause the video. Where you live is a type of community. It's your neighborhood community. A community is a group of people who share the same interests or goals. Another community that you are part of is this classroom. Here is a picture of two different classrooms. Which classroom community would best reach everyone's shared goal of learning? In the second picture, all the students in this classroom community have agreed to act in a certain way. These are called norms. Norms are ways of acting that everyone in a community agrees to. Norms help people in the community work toward their shared goal. What are some of the norms that we all follow in this class? Pause the video now to discuss classroom norms with a family member. Did you come up with these? Classroom norms could include following directions, staying focused, being respectful, being responsible, and being safe. Norms are important for online communities. There are different types of online communities, and depending on their goals, they might have different norms that members are expected to follow. I'd like you to work with a family member to explain how you think each norm helps the community to reach its goal. The first type of community are video sites like YouTube, Vimeo, and etc. The norm is don't post videos that are mean or inappropriate. And the goal is to see or share cool videos for entertainment and to learn. Now, take a moment to discuss with a family member. How does the norm help the online community reach its goal? When you're ready, press play. Did you come up with something like this? This norm helps video site communities share, be entertained, and learn because it makes sure people feel good and enjoy being part of the community. When people feel good, they're more willing to share and learn. Here's another one. The type of community is for online games, for example, Minecraft or Nickelodeon games. The norm is to follow the rules of the game and don't cheat or grief other players. And the goal is to have fun. How does the norm help the online community reach its goal? Now would be a good time to pause the video to discuss with a family member. Did you come up with this? This norm helps online game communities have fun because when someone cheats or griefs other players, they can't do as well in the game. People have fun when it's a fair competition. And the third one, the type of community would be school apps like Edmodo, Schoology, or Google Classroom. The norm is don't post mean comments or make people feel bad, and the goal is to learn. Now would be a good time to pause the video to discuss with a family member. How does the norm help the online community reach its goal? Did you come up with this? This norm helps school communities learn because it helps people feel welcome and have confidence in themselves. When people feel good, they're more willing to learn new things. Being a digital citizen is someone who uses technology responsibly to learn, to create, and participate. Everyone has responsibilities when you are working online. With a family member, discuss the different norms for each category. Come up with one norm for how you should act toward others when you're online. The categories are number 1, when I share with others, number 2, when I respond with others, number 3, when I work with others, and number 4, when I play with others. This would be a good time to pause the video so you can discuss those 4 categories with a family member. When I share with others, I post things that are fun and make people feel good. I post things that help others, and I ask for permission before posting something about someone else. When I work with others, I give helpful feedback. I ask for help when I need it. I am open to others' ideas, and I disagree respectfully. When I respond with others, I read their comments carefully first. I respond respectfully, even if I disagree. I only post things I would feel comfortable saying to them in person. When I play with others, I follow the rules of the game. I play fair. I keep my comments positive. Boys and girls, we know the power of words and actions. In this lesson, our Digital Citizenship Pledge, we should be able to answer the question, what makes a strong online community? Students should be able to define what a community is, both in person and online, explain how having norms helps people in a community achieve their goals, and create and pledge to adhere to shared norms for being in an online community.